So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now you can see here I'm inside the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so in this time, if your plugin editing option is not available inside your WordPress dashboard, or new theme option is not available inside your WordPress dashboard, so in that case, what to do? So it is too much easy. So now you can say if I went in the plugin, so now you can say there is no available the editing option. Okay, so if I click here, so now you can see there is no option. So in this site also there is no option available. So if I bring my mouse here, the plugin add new option is not available. And in the appearance also, so now you can see here, so if I click in the theme, so there is no maybe so now you can see there is no add new option available, right? So in this case, how to fix the problem? So now we can see here there is only two themes available, and I'm not unable able to install another new WordPress theme. So guys, if you are also getting this kind of problem, this is the right video for you, and I'll teach you all the details, things about this problems. Okay, and you will be also able to fix the WordPress themes or the plugins related problems after watching this video. So hello everyone, it's me Dipesh Rai. If you are new in my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and it will give you some motivation also, and you will get the all the new videos notification from my YouTube channel. Okay guys, just you have to press the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Guys, the first option is you have to disable all the plugins. So I'm just clicking in the plugins. Okay, so now you can see I have total the 14 plugins. So first of all, you have to select all the plugins, and then after that just click here and just click in the deactivate, then click in the apply. So now you can see here my all WordPress plugins are deactivating. So now you can just select it, plugin is deactivated. Okay, so I have inactive 14 plugins available. So if I click here, maybe the problem can be fixed sometime. Okay, but now you can see the plugins problem is not fixed, and the themes problem also not fixed, right? So now we are going to use our another tips. So for this one, in this time I'm just using the HostGator. Okay, so if you want to also purchase the HostGator hosting, then you can sign up from my referral link. It will give me a little bit support also. So you will get that link in the video description. So first of all, now you can see I'm inside the HostGator dashboard, right? Then after that, it will take a little bit time. So now you can see it's telling me welcome Dipesh, it's telling me right, let's make a website, it's telling me like that. Then you have to click in the hosting, right? After clicking the hosting, it will give me two options. The first option is the manage, and the second option is the cPanel. Just you have to click in the cPanel. Okay, and now your HostGator hosting cPanel is opening, and it's telling that loading your control panel. So there are various options available. Okay, so this is the HostGator cPanel, and after that just you have to click in the file manager. So now you can see here your file manager is opening. Then after that just you have to click in the public HTML. Just you have to open this folder. So now you can see there is one file available, wp-config.php. just you have to click here and click in the edit. Okay, so now you can see it, it's giving the new window, and thus you have to make it the UTF-8 and click in the edit. So now you can see here your code is editing. So from here you have to find out. So now you can see there is a WP allow multi-site is true. Okay, sometime these options can be turned on before when you are installing the WordPress. So that's why this kind of issue can be shown in your website. So that's why you have to turn off this feature. So just you have to type the backslash and asterisk. Okay, and just go here and then again asterisk and backslash. Okay, so now I can see here I commented this few lines codes. Then after that just click in the save changes. Now you can see your saving of your, now you can see here the my changes has been saved successfully. After that, if I refresh this one, maybe it will work. Okay, just wait for a moment. So now I can see here in the theme also 8 new options available, right? So if I click in the plugins, so now I can see 8 new options in plugin editor and different kind of options are coming. So in this way you can easily fix the plugins related problems of WordPress, and the themes related problems of WordPress also can be fixed using these tricks. Okay, so if you are still getting any kind of problems, let me know in the comment sections. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It will give you some motivation. If you have any queries related with this video, let me know in the comment sections and I'll make a separate video on that topic also. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.